Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. In Python, functions defined within a class are often associated with that class and its instances. However, there are situations where you may want to use a function from a class as if it were a standalone function. Python decorators provide a way to achieve this by making a function forget that it belongs to a class. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use decorators for this purpose with code examples. Decorators are functions that modify the behavior of other functions or methods without changing their source code. They are typically used to add functionality to functions or methods, such as logging, authentication, or, in our case, making a method act like a standalone function. Decorators in Python are defined using the @ symbol followed by the decorator function's name above the function or method definition. You can think of decorators as wrappers around functions. To make a method forget that it belongs to a class, we'll define a decorator function that extracts the method from the class instance and transforms it into a standalone function. This decorator will receive the method as an argument and return a standalone function. Here's an example. In the code above, make_method_standalone is a decorator that takes a method as an argument and returns a new function standalone_function. This new function calls the original method and passes any arguments and keyword arguments it receives. Now, let's see how we can use the make_method_standalone decorator to make a method behave like a standalone function. In this example, we define a class myClass with a print_value method. We apply the make_method_standalone decorator to the print_value method using the @ symbol. This decorator transforms print_value into a standalone function. When we create an instance of myClass and call object print_value, it works as if print_value were a standalone function, even though it's defined within the class. Python decorators are powerful tools that allow you to modify the behavior of functions and methods. In this tutorial, we've explored how to use a decorator to make a method forget that it belongs to a class, effectively turning it into a standalone function. This can be useful in various scenarios where you want to reuse and call class methods independently. ChatGPT